the greatest warrior in history, Alexander the Great. Within 8 years, Alexander the Great conquered the vast territories from Macedonia to India. He built 70 cities named Alexandria after him, in the countries he conquered. Alexander the Great, the distinguished commander who conquered a fourth of the world and was highly esteemed. However, even such a hero was nothing but a mere man in the face of death.
The space where my body will be laid down after I die is just a few square yards. In order to take these yards, I've defeated countless enemies and run thousands of miles.
At the age of 33, he died of a high fever in a foreign land. Although he had everything of materialistic value, power, wealth, and honor, he couldn't prepare for the eternal world, and in the end, he died. Wealth, honor, and power of this world do not last long, but are useless in the face of death. So God told us to prepare for the spiritual world, where there is eternal joy. It's because our essence is not our flesh, but our soul. Do not boast about tomorrow. A life without knowing about the eternal world is meaningless. Our short life on this earth is time to prepare for the eternal world. What should we do to go to the eternal spiritual world? The eternal spiritual world without pain or death. A perishable body cannot enter, but only he who has eternal life can. Then how can we have eternal life? When we eat Jesus' flesh and drink his blood, we can have eternal life. Jesus promised that the Passover bread and wine is his flesh and blood. So those who get eternal life through the Passover can enter the spiritual world, where they will travel freely in the universe. Let's look forward to the eternal spiritual world, rather than waste our life only focusing on the material world, and take part in the holy promise of eternal life.